Hi, this is Easy Chinese and I'm Jenny. Today I'm going to introduce you another Chinese dish, which is wonton. Wonton is a bit similar with dumpling, both like with the dough skin and wipe the filling, but wonton is more flexible. You can eat, make a wonton soup and also eat like dumpling, dip into the sauce. And a little bit different is that the wonton skin ideally should be more thinner and stronger. So today I'm going to make the dough first. I'm going to use this very strong white flour because I'm going to roll this dough and wipe very thin. So here I put 500 grams of this very strong white flour. Here about half teaspoon of salt is about 3 grams. And I use less water. Here is only 210 milliliter of cold water. You will feel that this dough is dry and hard at the beginning, but once you knead it and also set, after you set for half hour, it will become easier to handle. But at the beginning, you feel like it's hard and dry. Because it's dry and hard, I spend 20 minutes to knead this dough. Now it's good. I cover it with the cling film and set it for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to make the filling. Here is 400 grams of ground turkey leg. You can use chicken, pork, but normally we don't use beef or lamb to make this wonton. I'm going to season this meat first and then going to add the prawn. Here is 100 grams of fresh prawn, quarter teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of light color soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is the ginger and the Chinese Sichuan pepper water. I diced the ginger finely, chop the ginger, and put the hot water, boiling water, and for about 30 minutes. We only need the water, not this ginger and the pepper, but we will add it, slowly, a little bit. So together is about 50 milliliter of this ginger and pepper water. Sesame oil, about 4 tablespoons. Mix it in one direction. Mix it very well. Don't need to be very finely chopped. Mix it with this meat. Now I'm going to cut the garlic sprouts. Remember, last week I cut once for the dumpling and it grows back again. You see, they grow at least 10 centimeters long. And actually, I have made 3 dishes from these garlic sprouts already. Once was the fish dumpling, and another time stir fry with tofu, and then also the scrambled egg. I added about 100 grams of this in the scrambled egg. Today is the fourth time I'm going to use it for this wonton. Here is about 150 grams of this garlic sprout. This dough has been set for 30 minutes. I'm going to roll the wonton skin. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to make in 2 batches. Yeah, I'm going to use this wheat starch as the dusting flour. You do this, you press this dough first. Press, the purpose is make this wonton skin more strong and more elastic. Add a bit this starch on the surface and also on the dough. Roll the dough. Somehow it's like a handmade pasta, this process. Okay, it's very thin. I'm going to cut it into the square. About how many? Yeah. It's about this, yes.